Hello from another fantastic beach in Värmdö. This is Östersjöviken and it is completely empty on this 10th of July, mainly because it is super windy right now, and despite being 19 degrees Celsius in the air, it is only 15 degrees Celsius in the sea. And this is my second beach adventure for today, and actually third swim for today as well. But yeah, this is how it looks like, a sandy beach out on the Baltic Sea, and there is even a jetty that I'm going to use to swim, and there is even a children's playground as well right here. So let's then get ready for a swim in the Baltic Sea here in Värmdö at Östersjöviken. Quite spacious sandy beach for sure, and there is nature here all around, and this beach is very close to Stavsnäs, the ferry terminal for many of the islands in the Stockholm archipelago, and you can get there by bus from Slussen, which takes around 45 minutes journey, and there is every 15 minutes to half an hour depending on which time of the day. But the water here looks super amazing indeed. And now we have a glimpse of the sun, maybe a bit only, it's still mostly cloudy, but it's gonna help us in the swim. And despite this wind that is blowing like crazy, so you can see the whole beach from here as well. Amazing, yes. Värmdö has the best beaches in Stockholm region. Värmdö is not just here out on the coast, but also many of the islands in the archipelago belong to Värmdö municipality as well. When it is not this windy, it's amazing here, because I was here on the same beach last year and it was so nice and warm without much wind. And yeah, but now today on this 10th of July, beach day number 89, we have 19 degrees Celsius in the air right now and 15 in the sea. So let's then get going and take a swim here at Östersjövikens badplats. All right. A bit chilly, but that's okay. That's okay. That's all right. All right, then we're going in 3, 2, 1. Amazing! It's so nice. Despite this strong wind that is coming in, it's amazing to take a swim in the sea. I just love it. It's the best thing in the world. So yeah, Östersjöviken on this windy day out on the Baltic Sea, exploring in the Stockholm region. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this episode with me from Östersjöviken, this nice sandy beach out in the municipality, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!